I'm the monster that hides under your bed. He's the monster in the closet.
You try some if you want.
No, yeah.
No.
Would you let me?
Well, get in there.
Don't matter if it's 2 a.m., 8 p.m., noon, 9 a.m. It's always flowing in here.
Goddamn, you're so fat fuck.
You grabbed the primate.
Ow.
It's over here playing temperature because it's, how hot would you say it is in our room? It's fucking hot as balls. It's been like 3 days, the AC's not working. They had to give us another
It's
room,
an average of 80 degrees Fahrenheit.
which is pretty fucking warm. Especially for fucking going on 3 days. Yeah. Some hard working boys in here. Can't try to relax with a little bit of AC. But that's asking a bit much, apparently. But no, we did get a new room. We just got all our shit in this room.
1 minute.
Yeah, 1 minute. We're counting down. We're about to be New Year's at 10 seconds. 9, 8. That cash is slowly burning on the table. After that minute's up, it's going from 100 down to 90, and then you get 10 minutes. And then after that, it's going down to 80, and you get 20 minutes.
You get toes.
I think so. Should they just clean the room?
They gave you 5. You coming, Richie? Yeah. Fucking right. You fight us.
He said you got 1 minute. You weren't listening.
No, you get on that. I want you to smell right. Alright. Take that fucking Hondo off. Take that Hondo.
You don't even gotta wear that shirt's like the same color as the sweater you took off, but then both of those shirts are still like the same color of your skin where it's not sunburned.
Mom, when I fucked her last night. Alright, let's go.
And that's where he got the $100 from. They're like, pay it back to you. He's keeping that money in the family, baby.
Pay me, boy.
It's obviously not. There's people here. Look at that pillar. I want my drinks fresh, straight off the truck. This is the green ninja I like right here. Ugly man frog. $1 wings today. Look at that. They gonna charge me $1 for my chicken wing leg. Oh, this is a cool spot to open mic at. This is gonna be a cool spot to open mic at.
For the rest of my life, that memory will stay, man. Fuck, that was a good time. I don't feel
Thin ball.
right.
Oh, no way. Can you play Pong on these? Where like they got sensors for your drink or something? That's kind of cool. Look, select play option. We can play with the American side of the ball. Not the itty bitty dudes. Tequila cranberry, whatever the house tequila is.
Yeah, did you want a short or tall?
Short.
We have 3 different flavors of monsters as well.
Yeah.
Alright, that's just like us 3. I'm the monster that hides under your bed. He's the monster in the closet. He's the
right here. So.
Yeah. Right on, thank you.
Are the open mic things like fun out here? Or they like?
They happen every Sunday, and anyone can sign up.
So I'm thinking about coming out.
Yeah, for sure.
What is that?
$2.
What's $2? Oh, your coin. I thought something to drink was $2. I'm like, what's $2? I'll take a shot for $2 or something.
Smaller ones are the bigger ones.
Yeah, so smaller $2, big ones $11.
That's what I try to tell them all the time. Like, yo, smaller is big.
What's that?
New Zealand coins or
Oh, New Zealand ones, yeah.
but I reckon New Zealand has the prettiest like notes I've seen.
The British notes. We are looking at them.
Oh yeah, our notes kind of roll up when you hand it. Oh yeah, we get her face printed out on this. I'll punch that shit a lot harder. What old bud get? 753. All right. Oh, you get 2 goes? Well, you only paid $8. What'd you expect? All right, let me get my shit off. Fucking right, I got a $2 coin. That's better what I normally get. I got paid like $200 for like 3 hits, and after that, I'm already finished. And then she leaves. Take this shit out just for a sec. All right. Come on, Bobby.
Okay, brother, let's do it.
Come on. Oh. 828, baby. Same score I got on my SATs.
Come on. What are my hands on this?
Headbutt the bitch then.
828.
Why did it make like a gong sound, like it's shinier, like dong? Like dong. Did Bud sell you a dead coffee?
Can I get a coffee?
You got decaf, didn't you?
You want to go just fucking see the outside though?
Yeah, I'm down to see that. Wait, let's ask what else there is. Yeah, I don't want to fucking, like I said before, walk in the hot sun uphill and shit to not find that. Yeah.
$5 hot dog? Not bad.
The spot across the street, their happy hour starts at 4, so by the time we get there, they might be able to catch their happy hour. If there's something around. Yeah, I don't want to go unless there's something we're going to.
That's what I can tell you.
It's if she says like, sure, down the bar there's like a 2-minute walk and there's something like cool there, like, oh yeah, today they got their drinks for like half off or something.
We need your knowledge.
Okay.
Yeah, we're not really from here if you can't tell from our accents, but what's nearby that's walking distance except from across the street? We just went there. That's like a good bar or something to like go to right now. That's nearby.
You want to know a good bar?
No good
Yeah,
bar.
even if it's not a bar, but like anything that's going on.
Certainly would
like
prefer a bar, yeah.
Not at the moment. There's nothing really going on in West End. You can
So
try.
that says West End?
Sorry?
This is a West End?
Yeah, this is West End.
Oh, right, okay.
So you have Convent Gardens up the street there. You have the End. You have the bar across the road. They're great, but I can't.
It's called the bar?
It's called the Bar. They're
Bottle.
a great bar. They're like we're good friends.
Okay.
So,
And it's how far down? Like walking?
literally across the street.
I'm gonna go across and say the coach is cunts.
Yeah, do it. Tell them Tessa called them a cunt. So it's an old Queenslander. It looks like really hippie at the front. It is not a house, it's a bar. It's really cool.
Kind of New Orleans style, but
yeah, it's cute. They may open around 4 or 5. I don't know if they're open.
Ooh, so they might not be. Okay.
So you can just check the time, and then if you the lights down this road, if you take a left, there's fucking West End Tavern or whatever it's called, and then on the same street there's Cobbler, which is a really nice coffee shop.
And those ones even going that way at walking distance?
Yep, every bar in West End walking distance.
Okay, right. And
like 10 or something.
can I get are these drinks I could get, or are we just growing plants out there?
No, they're plants.
All right, so like I couldn't get a shot of that because my doctor said my liver's bad, so like I gotta drink some greens or something like that. So I was thinking that'd be like the best bet.
You try some if you want.
No, yeah.
It's really just water.
Would you let me?
Walk it in there.
For health reasons, no.
Fair enough. Yeah. I wouldn't want to contaminate the plant for health reasons. Let's not do that. All right, fair enough.
the dollar ones.
Sorry?
The dollar ones.
Yeah, same for 5. So come back later.
All right.
We're live as well.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. That's fun. She's like, yeah, you can't drink this for health reasons. I really think you got the ability to stop it. She said down that way, legit across the street. Yeah, that's not open yet. We got 30 minutes to go knock on people's houses and run. See what they get. Oh, November 15th, we're way past that. Steve's haircut. Steve don't get haircuts. Steve, have you seen Steve's head? Steve don't get haircuts. Steve don't get haircuts. Got football flags, American football flags out here.
And this is what I want, and this is what you get. Come and share with us for all that time we recollect. From the start to these bands, we all wonder where we head.
And how much is it if we're not done? Almost no, alright.
They didn't want to decide on.
Alright, fair enough. Do I get a player's card if I do? Otherwise, I'm not signed up. If I don't get a player's card, I gotta have some. Probably hear this all the time, but that's a cute dog. Here for rip-off tape, but it's pretty cool, hole in the wall type of fun. That's why we don't want to hang out with it.
I don't feel
did it just go? It was right there. Alright, sounds good. Fucking man, they even left us some chips.
Yeah, take a picture of it and send it to Mikey and Matt. Is this the chips that are missing for your fish?
Yeah. I ordered fish and chips, but they forgot the bag. What's wrong?